Joining us here at Post 9 in a CNBC is Fiserv CEO Frank Bisignano. Frank, good to have you back.
Good to be here, David. Thanks for having me.
At the NYC. I want to start off with Clover. Just to explain to people, integrated point-of-sale offering competes with players like Square and Toast. Toast actually did not have a good number recently. You guys are seeing quite strong growth. I think, 23% year-over-year revenue growth. So explain what that is, why it's growing so quickly. Are you taking share?
Yeah, well, as you probably remember, it's been a 10-year journey. We brought Clover to market, in the teens, and we've continued to invest in it. We've had tremendous distribution. We actually lead in gross payment volume of anyone in the space. It's really a software suite. So people, not only are we getting payment volume, but we have software services. And we continue to grow it in verticals and internationally. So I think our distribution's league leading, and the product is league leading.
What about it do you think is appealing to your customers?
I think what's appealing to it is it's a software store. It's their platform. It's their operating system. As opposed to just a payment device, it helps them run their businesses. It's a small business favorite. It does everything from inventory to SKU management to employee management services.
And what, again, given Clover, and you have good visibility into small, medium-sized businesses, particularly with that product, for example. What does it say right now in terms of the economy? We're going to hear from the Fed, of course, a few hours from now.
I think the consumer's been stable. The consumer had a huge run. I think they're stable now. They're spending. We don't see them, we're not forecasting an increase in spend. But
are you seeing headwinds then? Or are you concerned at
all,
like the student loan thing?
Well, I think we do. We guided up in the light of those, but really by the strength of the business that we saw in the first half and what we see rolling through. But I think, student lending, debt, rising interest rates are all a challenge, that we're seeing consumers to react to, but they are stable.
What's your expectation on fintech top line?
I'm sorry?
On fintech top line.
Yeah, well, we've been a 4 to 6 guider there. We were previously a lower grower if you look back over time. We have a very strong set of products, high demand. We're winning. We won 10 big logos. We're also winning in consolidation. Just see Bank of California yesterday. The CEO gave us a shout out as to the capabilities that we bring to them, Jared Wolf. So I think we see a very strong second half in our fintech segment.
Oh, sorry, go ahead.
No, go ahead, Liz.
Are financial institutions spending these days? I mean, we see headcount reductions. We see, what we just talked about in terms of kind of preserving capital, being very cautious in terms of expenses. Are they spending on
Yeah, interestingly enough, we just came off our first annual physical event since we merged the company. We had 3,000 clients there, and their demand is super high. We're a growth engine for them. There are parts where their infrastructure, but our digital capability, acquisitions we made like OnDot that allow them to bring more mobile capability to their clients is something they really want. So I don't see them on the front end of this business slowing down spending.
Frank, finally, again, because you can give a pretty interesting view of sort of where we are in the consumer with, $4 trillion or something runs through the system. Is this whole idea that people are spending on experiences but not goods reflected in the numbers?
I think we're getting a little balancing out right now.
Are we?
Yes. Retail spending in general was very high on experiences. I think you've seen a little rotation. I think you see where they're spending to get more value is what's going on. And we may not have seen that a year and a half ago. I think you're seeing value spending going on also.
So you said stable consumer, but you seem to be moderating. I don't want to put words in your mouth, but, are you more concerned about the second half than perhaps you were previously?
Well, we guided up on revenue.
I know you did.
And we guided up on our merchant revenue, so we're quite bullish on it. But that's really from breadth of distribution, expanded TAM, and a stable consumer, as opposed to maybe we were, a year ago, a robust consumer.
Frank, it's always good to get a snapshot. Thank you.